In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard, where you can access all of your bookkeeping and reporting tools. Make sure you're in the correct company file before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business account. Next, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores a wide range of financial reports, including profit and loss statements, transaction reports, and of course, the balance sheet. If you use reports often, this area will quickly become one of the most useful parts of the platform. Once you're in the Reports section, click into the search bar and type Balance Sheet. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. Select Balance Sheet from the list to open it. This report gives you a snapshot of your company's financial position by showing what the business owns, what it owes, and the owner's equity. After opening the report, choose the report period you want to review. You can use one of the preset date ranges or enter custom from and to dates if you need something more specific. This is especially helpful if you're reviewing a month-end, quarter-end, or year-end financial position. Next, choose the accounting method. QuickBooks lets you switch between cash and accrual. Cash basis shows income and expenses when money actually moves in or out, while accrual basis reflects transactions when they are earned or incurred. Be sure to select the method that matches how you want to evaluate the business. If needed, you can click the Customize button to adjust the report settings. This optional step is useful if you want to refine how the report appears or narrow down the information shown. Even if you don't make changes here, it's good to know the option is available. Once your dates and accounting method are set, run the report. QuickBooks will display the balance sheet based on the selections you made. At this point, review the financial sections carefully. You'll see balances grouped under assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets represent what the business owns, liabilities represent what it owes, and equity shows the owner's stake in the business. When you're finished reviewing the report, use the icons at the top to export, print, or save it. Exporting is helpful if you want to share the report or keep a copy outside QuickBooks, while printing or saving can be useful for meetings, record keeping, or financial review. Thanks for watching.